Most people get this wrong. They assume all DeFi platforms are the same. But the surprising truth is that PolySwarm is designed specifically for cybersecurity threat intelligence, combining blockchain technology with a unique reward system. If you're curious about earning while contributing to security, this review is for you. PolySwarm allows users to stake tokens and participate in threat detection. You won't believe what happens next. The platform rewards you for accurately identifying malicious software in real time. This makes it not just a passive investment, but an interactive way to engage with cybersecurity on the blockchain. The interface is fairly straightforward, with dashboards showing active bounties, your stake, and earnings. PolySwarm also provides detailed documentation and tutorials to help newcomers understand how threat scoring works and how rewards are distributed. During my usage, I found that the platform tracks all submissions transparently, which builds trust and accountability for users. One of the advantages is the potential to earn rewards while learning about malware and cybersecurity threats. Unlike traditional DeFi platforms that focus solely on trading or lending, PolySwarm gamifies threat detection, making it engaging for both security professionals and crypto enthusiasts. However, there are some caveats. You need a basic understanding of blockchain transactions and staking mechanics, or you might get overwhelmed. Earnings can fluctuate depending on the number of active participants and bounties, so it's not a guaranteed income stream. Additionally, since it's a niche platform, liquidity can sometimes be limited compared to major DeFi exchanges. In conclusion, PolySwarm is an innovative platform that blends DeFi and cybersecurity. If you want to explore a more interactive form of crypto investing while contributing to threat intelligence, it's definitely worth trying. Just be prepared to invest some time learning how the system works. Subscribe for more honest DeFi and crypto platform reviews to help you make informed decisions before investing.